Hey, good afternoon. It's Bill Kerbox with Operation Recovery here in Maui. Today we're at Fab Mac homes. These are pre-manufactured homes that we're really hoping is going to be a big part of the recovery. So today we decided to come and actually tour one of these homes. But I want to give you just a little bit of an idea of what this is all about. So traditional homes obviously have a lot of drawbacks in terms of time. Now, the average time to get one of these homes in stock and delivered is, it could be 8 to 10 months, maybe even longer. And now with the potential demand, it could be more significant. But a home like this that we're in is about $450,000. That's 2,200 square feet, 4-bedroom and 2-bath. I'm in the home right now. It's actually quite a nice home. I mean, it's all set up. It's got an open floor plan. I'm thinking, it's just my opinion, that modular, prefab, pre-manufactured homes are going to be a big part of the recovery here in Lahaina and on Maui. So we're hoping that this company, Fab Mac, is going to be able to help make a difference. We're starting to see some modular or some prefab homes pop up in different places. We don't know where they came from, but they seem to be a part of the landscape, so to speak. So we are going to be here on Maui. We're going to be trying to bring as much value as possible. But if you are considering a modular or a prefab, pre-manufactured home, you definitely want to reach out to Fab Mac Homes. I think they've got a model here. They're open up until 2 o'clock, I think 11 to 2. So if you want to learn more, give them a call, or you can always text or like us on Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, TikTok. We're all over the web, and we're here to serve you. Thanks for watching.